Hello one and all, again it's time to share the second video on binomial theorem. So let us see. Pascal triangle, a triangular design has been given by the famous mathematician as well as a famous physicist Pascal, starting from 1 1 first one last one, इसके बाद 1 1 2 हो गया, ऐड फर्स्ट वन लास्ट वन, 2 1 3 first one last one, 1 3 4 3 3 6 3 1 4 first one last one, and similarly 1 4 5 4 6 10 6 4 10 4 1 5 first one last one. This is also again we can move accordingly. So Pascal triangle can be created by the students. फिर 5 1 6 15 20 15 6 1 6 1 7 6 15 21 15 20 35 20 15 35 15 6 21 6 1 7 1 1. So the benefit of this, you can quickly write the value. This is called 7C0. This is 7C1, 7C2, and the last is 7C7. Similarly, this is 6C0, 6C1, 6C2, 6C3, 6C4, 6C5, 6C6, 5C0, 5C1, 5C2, 5C3, 5C4, 5C5, and so on. This is the benefit of Pascal triangle. One more benefit. Suppose you have to write this fast way of this kind, 1 plus x to the power 4. Suppose you have to write this 1 plus x to the power 4, write 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x4. And is 4. Since the first term is 1, we can write fastly. After that, set the Pascal triangle for 4 के लिए Pascal triangle है. यहाँ पे 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, यहाँ 6 से, यहाँ भी 4 से. 1 is not necessary to be taken. 4 6 4, and our answer is 1 plus 4x plus 6x square plus 4x cube plus x4. Quickly we can write the response. Suppose in case of minus, alternate plus के बाद हो जाएगा minus, फिर plus, फिर minus, फिर plus, plus minus plus minus plus. So in case of negative, we use alternate plus minus sign. Similarly, suppose we have to write 1 plus x to the power 5. This is 1 plus x 5 plus x square plus x cube plus x4 plus x5. The last will be x5. 5 power 1 से शुरू कीजिए, x का पावर बढ़ते जाएगा. Last में set the Pascal triangle binomial coefficient. This is multiplied with 5. This is with 10, 10, 5. And our answer is 1 plus 5x plus 10x square plus 10x cube plus 5x4 plus x5. So quickly we can write the answer. Now on the basis of this, in case of negative, we follow alternate plus minus sign. So this is the problem, tough problem, time taking. 1 plus 2x to the power 5 into 1 minus x to the power 7. Find the coefficient of x5. Very tough problem. So starting from 1 plus 2x to the power 5. 1 2x square 2x cube 2x4 2x5. After that 5 power के लिए 5 10 10 5 5 10 10 5, and we get this. The expansion is over. Quick expansion. Now 1 minus x to the power 7, alternate plus minus sign. 1x square x cube x4 x5 x6 x7. After that, for 7 power, these are the coefficients: 7 21 35 35 21 7. Copy from here fast. This is the fast technology. So we are getting this. Now the coefficient of x5. Coefficient of x5 in the product in 1 multiplied 2 is equal to. अब देखिए x5 का कोफिशिएंट कैसे प्राप्त होगा. This into this 1 तो 32 फर्स्ट कोफिशिएंट x5 आ गया 32। इसके बाद इसका नंबर आया 7x एंड दिस x into x4 is x5, x into x4 is x5, so minus 7 into 80, 7 into 80. After that this x square and x cube, when x square is multiplied with x cube we get x to the power 5 and coefficient will be 21 into 80 plus 21 into 80. After that we move towards this x cube and this x square. X cube into x square is x5, but minus 35 into 40. Minus 35 into 40. After that we take this and this x4 into x5 and the coefficient is 35 into 10 plus 35 into 10. After that the last is this x5 into 1, so the coefficient is minus 21, minus 21 into 1, minus 21 into 1. Simplify it to get the answer. It is very easy to simplify to get the answer. So the Pascal triangle used and the very complicated problem both I have discussed. Now the Pascal triangle is being removed. Now we are starting one more very important and decent theory of this theory. This is the theory. It will help you a lot in x plus a1, x plus a2, x plus a3, dot dot x plus an. Suppose this is the product starting from one ending to n, and you have to find out the coefficient of x to the power n. n by x है, तो obviously the coefficient is 1. Remember this, it will be helpful in competitive examination for fast. Coefficient of x to the power n minus 1. This is a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus an. This is the coefficient of xn minus 1. Add all the values, and after that the coefficient of x to the power n minus 2. This is a1 plus a2 plus n whole square minus a1 square plus a2 square plus n square by 2. So this both the all the three will help you to find the coefficient. Suppose the problem is x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 4 into x plus 5. Find the coefficient of x5. Coefficient of x5 is clearly 1. The highest power is 5. 5 terms are here. Coefficient of x4. Now use this concept. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the answer. Coefficient of x cube. Very interesting. This is again a1, a2. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 का whole square minus this 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square and whole divided by 2. Now students remember, in case of negative, अगर यहाँ negative हो जाए, in case of negative, suppose negative is given, we follow plus minus plus, alternate plus minus, then sign scheme will be there. This will be positive, this will be negative, and again this will be positive, and so on. So successfully I have announced the theory through my video. Now the next problems are being discussed. Find the coefficient of x32. Third number. coefficient of x to the power 32 in x4 minus 1 by x cube to the power 15. Again we are moving towards the real problem. So we know that TR plus 1 already discussed in the first video, minus 1 to the power r, and CR x to the power n minus r, YR, this is for x minus y to the power n. Now we are going to write for this TR plus 1 minus 1 to the power r, n is equal to 15. 15 CR x to the power n, 15 minus, but in place of x, note it, in place of x, x4 is given. So write x4 to the power n, n is 15 minus r, and in place of y, this is given. This is x, in place of x, in place of y, 1 by x cube to the power r. Never take minus here. X is this is called x and this is called y. Minus is compensated already, so never take minus here. After that, this is minus 1 to the power n, 15 CR, x to the power 60 minus 4r, 1 by x to the power 3r. 1 to the power r is 1 itself. This power will go to this. Bases are same and bases are subtracted. So this is minus 1 to the power n, 15 CR. Sorry students, minus 1 to the power r is here. So everywhere r will be here. This 15 CR x to the power 60 minus 4r minus 3r. According to question, the power on x is 32. So this must be 32. So 60 minus 7r is equal to 32. So 7r is equal to 28. So r is equal to 4. Now the coefficient, this is the coefficient. Because this power has become 32. We have equated this by 32. So this is the coefficient, required coefficient. Coefficient of x to the power 32 is equal to minus 1 to the power r. Put the value of r 4. 15C4. So minus 1 to the power 4 is positive. So 15C4 is the answer. You can simplify it to get the final answer. Now moving towards another problem. This is fourth number problem. Find the term independent of x. In x squared plus 1 by x. This is the problem. Now write TR plus 1. TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x to the power n minus r YR. This is for x plus y to the power n. Now note that in place of x we have to use x squared, in place of y we have to use 1 by x. So TR plus 1 for our own problem, n is equal to 9, n is equal to 9. So 9CR, x is of x squared to the power n, 9 minus r, y is of 1 by x to the power r. So simplify this, 9CR, x to the power 18 minus 2r, 1 by xr. So this is 9CR, 18 minus 2r minus r. This power will be subtracted, x. Now independent of x, उसमें x कोई नहीं. Independent of x means independent of x. There's a 5x to the power 0, 7x to the power 0, 5, 7. So in case of independent of x, the power on x must be 0. So according to question, power on x must be 0, that is x to the power 0. Hence 18 minus 3r is equal to 0. So this gives r is equal to 6. Now putting in this tr plus 1. So this is the first. Putting in 1, put r is equal to 6, we get T7, T6 plus 1 is equal to 9C6. R we have to put 6, 9C6 and x to the power 0. This is already 0, x to the power 0 because we have equated into 0. So this is T7 is equal to 9C6 is independent of x. This is independent of x. Our problem is done. Now one more problem. Prove that there is no any term of x6. x6 का कोई टर्म होगा ही नहीं इन 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x टू द पावर 11. इसमें कोई x6 का टर्म ही नहीं होगा. So write tr plus 1 minus 1 to the power r and cr n minus r yr for x minus y to the power n. I have already discussed in the first video all these. So this is minus 1 to the power r, n is 11 cr, in place of x, 2x square, in place of x, 2x square to the power n minus r, 11 minus r, into y, 3 by x to the power r. Now simplify it, minus 1 to the power r, 11 cr, 2 to the power 11 minus r, into 2 to the power, again multiply by 2, 22 minus 2r, 3 to the power r by x to the power r. This will go upside. This is x square into 11 minus r, x 22 minus 2r. So finally 11 cr, 2 to the power 11 minus r, x to the power 22 minus 2r minus r. So according to question x6, to get x to the power 6, this must be 6. According to question 22 minus 3r must be equal to 6. So this implies 16 is equal to 3r. So r is equal to 16 by 3. Not possible. Remember students, r is never negative and never fraction. Hence, x6 does not exist. Thank you very much students. In the next video I will discuss more problems.